Hello, good day, and welcome back. Let's learn a little more English together. Our words for today are morning, night, feel, happy, sad, cold, hot, hungry, thirsty, okay, yes, no. Every day begins with the morning and ends with the night. Morning, night, you say it. Morning, night. Now, little words about how we feel. Sometimes we feel happy, light, calm, good. Sometimes we feel sad, quiet, a little heavy. Feel, happy, sad. Repeat with me. I feel happy. I feel sad. Our bodies talk to us also. When we feel cold, we close our arms. When we feel hot, we open everything. Oh yes, British weather gives us both cold and hot. You say it. Cold, hot. And of course, every day we feel hungry and we feel thirsty. Hungry means you want food. Thirsty means you want water. You say, hungry, thirsty. And this little friendly word, okay, it means fine, good, alright. When you're not sure how you feel, you can just say, I'm okay. You say, okay. And now, two of the most important words in the English language, yes and no. Yes is open, no is closed. Both are powerful. You say, yes, no. Listen to the little story of today's words. In the morning, I ask myself how I feel. Maybe I feel happy. Maybe I feel sad. Sometimes I'm cold. Sometimes I'm hot. Maybe I'm hungry. Maybe I'm thirsty. And often, I'm just okay. You ask me something, I say yes or no, and at night the day ends. Now you repeat after me. Morning, night. I feel happy. I feel sad. I am cold. I am hot. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am okay. Yes. No. And to recap, our 12 words for today were morning, night, feel, happy, sad, cold, hot, hungry, thirsty, okay, yes, no. You're doing beautifully. Come back for the next lesson whenever you're ready. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.